Drag week starts now. First pass, test and tune the day before the official start. And for us, it's a big deal because we got so many unknowns. Is this thing gonna do anything good? New trans, new motor, new tune, newest shocks, and we fought with the wheels and tires all day. We'll see what happens. If it just goes bad, it's gonna be rough. But if it's like, oh, back to normal, it's gonna feel real good. Right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Here we go. First pass. It's been 2 years since I've driven the car. I know I've said that a lot, but that's what's on my mind right now. I gotta be honest, I'm intimidated. It makes pretty much the same power, maybe a little more than it made before, but it has a ton more gear in the rear end, different gears in the trans, like everything's different, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm itching to find out, so let's go. This is important. If it can go all the way down the track and run a mid-8, that's good news, you know, and if it doesn't, well, we'll be making a lot of passes tomorrow during first day of drag week.
Just give me like a mid-5 in the 8th, dude, and then let's go to sleep.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Yeah, you really gotta do something.
Throttle stuck.
Stuck?
Stuck. What? Pop the hood.
What? I can mess with it. Yeah, take it out from your end, or if you tighten it up from your end, but that's not going to help us because we want it here.
Right.
Because when it opens, it goes here. Look what's going on here.
I can't see anything. Hold on.
Should this be on the other side of this?
I don't know.
Look at this.
It's been 3 years.
Look how this is bent over that.
And everyone else but me has worked on this.
Can't go like that.
No, it would be right here.
Okay.
But wait a minute.
That's no.
What is this? What is this doing here?
I don't know.
It looks right. I mean, it's pulling back this way.
This spring used to be on this. I don't know what this thing's doing here.
Move your hand. So our linkage for the TPS is this lever.
Yeah.
This is all coming through the same shaft. This is just somebody threw this on to pick up that spring.
That spring. See the washers?
Yeah, get rid of that thing.
That spring used to be over here. I don't know what this arm's doing, and I don't know what this is.
We don't need that. And this has got its own lock. Just get rid of this. And we'll just cut that spring shorter. See if that will go in there.
That's what I remember. I remember now. This got thrown on there because the spring was too long to go on here.
I'll just bend it out and make it work. That's fine.
Or just tighten it up, you know?
You can.
Yeah, that's the problem. If we tighten that, we're good. It'll stop sticking, and then I can drive the car again. I need to go through all this because everybody but me's worked on it, and I don't recognize some of it. You know what I mean?
So what caused it to stick? I just don't still understand because the spring is just pulling it back.
Well, I don't think the spring was pulling it. The spring went over here and sat here.
Oh, okay.
Because
I didn't realize it was doing that.
Yeah, because see how the linkage is sitting there?
Yeah, okay, I get that now. I didn't see that it was.
It pulls so hard on the blades, and when the blades are
there's
over,
a lot of
it doesn't want to go back. Like,
Yeah, true.
it's just
A lot of suction there.
nightmare.
Well, how warm is this motor?
It's 160. It's got heat in
That
it.
belt is tight enough.
That blower's hot. I was just a little paranoid because I hadn't driven the car in a long time, and I thought, let me put it on the two-step, make sure it even works. And then when I did, which is basically me putting my foot to the floor going wide open, a rev limiter turns on, and then I took my foot off the pedal, and it wouldn't return to idle. It was stuck wide open, so I killed the ignition, And we just realized our return spring is loose and isn't holding it, so.
Yeah, leave it right on this bar here.
Yeah.
All the way down. Because if not, it's going to run into the TPS and you're not going to get full throttle. I still think we get rid of that thing tomorrow. So it's just first day jitters here at Adult Summer Camp / Drag Week 22. But we're going to make some, I don't want to go back to the pits. I would like to get this thing down the track so we know where we stand for the rest of the week. So we're going to make a couple moves and try to get it done. I would like.
Stuck again.
Stuck! Hell yeah.
It just went back, dude.
What'd you say?
It just flipped back just now. It is unhappy. Stuck wide open again.
Let's get rid of that thing and shorten the spring. We don't have any tools with us, huh?
No. There we go.
Wide open.
Yep. And it can't hang on anything. All right, we're good. Woo! We're good.
You don't even need to go by O'Reilly's, bro.
Nah.
Well,
We don't even need to put it on the
this.
two-step again. That works. It has 2 return springs because when the blower is sucking, it's pulling on the butterflies, and when they're wide open, they're not straight up and down, they're kind of at an angle. And so it's pulling on the back side of those throttle blades and trying to keep it open. You lift off the throttle, it stays. Well, that's the normal problem. That's how you end up with so many return springs on it. That's not our problem with it sticking wide open. Our problem was that we went to put the car back together. I found one of our proper return springs, but not the other. So I just grabbed one out of the box, threw it on there, and it's a different style of spring. And what was happening is when the linkage went wide open, the spring was going over the top of it and getting stuck and holding it there. So we flip-flopped them, moved them, and I think we're good now. I think now we can go race our car.
It's testing tune the day before drag week starts. Having some problems with the throttle. Mike's gonna try to drive through it. We're gonna see what happens.
Push it out.
That doesn't sound good.
We got.
Thank you. What's up?
Just push it out. It won't run right.
Okay.
What do you need?
Doesn't push. Out of the way.
Oh.
Let's push it off to the side here.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
What's up? Your stuff still.
Okay. Thanks, bud. Figure out what's what. Thank you.
I don't know what's going on. There's something up with the tune. It wouldn't even rev to do a burnout. So we're going to go take it over to the pit and plug into it and try to see what's going on. It just occurred to me, I wasn't there when it got dynoed, but I know it wasn't dynoed with that air filter on there. So that's a kind of significant change. Well, that's a wrap on registration day of Hot Rod Drag Week, and it was pretty good. We got registered, we went through tech, We shot fireballs out the pipes. We got the throttle to stick wide open, and we managed to not even do a burnout today. So tomorrow has got to be better than today as far as I'm concerned. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Wirecare for making this video possible, and we'll see you in the next one.